Good morning everyone. In the last class we have read about the photosynthesis, that is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now in this video we will read about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. You know that heterotrophic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which the organism depend upon the other living organism and they do not make their own food. Now this has been classified into four, that is, first one is parasitic plant, second one is saprophytic plant, third one is insectivorous plant, fourth one is symbiotic plant. Now we will discuss about the parasitic plant. Parasitic plants are those type of plants in which they derive their nutrients food from the other living organism. Example, as we know that cuscuta, the other name of cuscuta is deodar and mistletoe. That cuscuta is a yellow color tubular like structure. As you go in the jungles or the camping in the roadside, that plant has a tubular like structure. They tube like structure, they feed upon the other plant. Okay, these plant depend upon the other for their food is called parasitic plant. This plant absorb food from green plants which are called host. Now we will read about the saprophytic plant. As we know from the saprophytic nutrition refers to the such kind of nutrition in which organism derives their nutrient from the dead and decaying. It means rotten or organic matter. In organic matter it comes a rotten leaves, rotten bread, dead animals, household waste and non-living organic matter present in the soil. The best example is fungi. The fungi, that example of fungi is yeast, mucor, mushroom and the bacteria. Few animals also absorb soluble nutrients from the non-living organic matter. Such nutrition in an animals. We will see the other mode of nutrition, that is insectivorous. As you know from the insectivorous plant, that they do not they grow in that places where nitrogen content is very less. So to compensate that nitrogen content, they take nitrogen from the insect. Thank you.